Let's go on.
Thank you, Paulo.
Lyft is not showing necessarily the driver or I'm sorry. No. Where are we at?
Well,
Lyft
we
trip
did that
earnings
already.
are No, actually, we're talking about the Lyft
Money.
trip earnings are not
Yeah.
necessarily showing up in the driver
Yeah.
totals. So
Okay,
we got a
this
little
is
bit of a problem.
This is a common problem. Lyft knows this. I sent this to them a week ago. This is a common situation. One trip is missing.
Thank you for the super
Not on
sticker.
the
Appreciate
count
it.
wise, but on the dollar amount, the trips are missing. So these drivers kept sending me the search. I added it all up. It's not adding up to my total for the day. I'm like, I know it's missing one trip. It could be a $5 trip. It could be a $40 trip. I don't know which one they decided to mess with. There is dollars missing in your total. Please, please, please watch it. Run totals on your daily and weeklies. It is missing.
Yep.
Lyft knows about it. Eric, oops. Please, you know about this. Please fix this. You know what? What if these people needed that $30? It was $30 missing and they had to pay a bill. And this is 30 missing for days now. Next day, right? Adds up to 50, 100, whatever for the week. These people are doing their jobs. Pay these people correctly. Again, Chris, see, this is what's going to happen now. Glitch goes on for 10 days. People are missing money right and left all over the country. Now the systems have to be checked and rechecked for who's missing money, discover who's missing money, pay these people their money. Meanwhile, if this is, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of trips, well, Lyft has the money, by the way. The passenger paid, Lyft has the money in the bank, collecting interest. Short-term T-bills are 5% in the US these days, people. That's going to allow, it's not like zero rates anymore. So when you're paying these people back, you guys should all pay back with interest, like Chris says all the time. Because this trip is done and finished. This is not like a glitch that Boost didn't get paid, this. These people worked, did the job, pay the people. And now we got to chase our tail again. Now we got to go put all our trips on a spreadsheet or a calculator, hand calculator, to figure out how much money am I missing today. And people who don't know better are going to go to, the wonderful Lyft support, and they're going to go, where's my money? And they're going to go, no, you're not. Everything is fine. I'm like, no, I'm missing.
Harry, thank you for the super chat. Appreciate it.
So I'm going like, please fix this. What if those people needed the money? What if they're going to pay a phone bill that's $30 short and that's the $30 you're holding? What happened to this flexibility and freedom and all this beautiful shit? These people worked for you. They did the trip. Pay them.
Thank you for the super chat. Appreciate it.
I honestly, Chris,
I like that. Driving less, making more. Perfect. That's what we like to hear. Driving less and making more.
Yeah, be like Mr. Gambit. See those trips, bro? He's knocking them out. It's like killing it in LA. But again, no, this is not cool. Please pay these people. In fact, from the left-hand screenshot, I know whose that is. Right before the show, I got an email. She goes, Serge, I did not still get paid. Did you call them? I'm like I have powers, but not too many. Trust me, whatever you guys send me that I think is appropriate, like things like this, boost missing, money missing, trips done, money missing. I send it to these people. They're just dicking around with it. Just pay these people. They need the money. Economy is shit. What if they got to pay rent and they're $30 short and that's the $30 you didn't pay these people? Just pay them with interest, hopefully. Bro, I'm just really like now is like
here's the reason
why
I
is
say
this happening?
The reason why
Why
I say
is this
with
happening?
interest, hold on. The reason why I say with interest, because this happens way too much. We've seen earnings be held or withheld so much. We've seen so many issues or glitches, whatever you want to call it, happen over and over and over again with no repercussions, with no stipulation, nothing added against them. This should be something where if you don't pay out on time on the Tuesday of the following week or whatever it might be, then there should be some sort of fine or whatever it might be that's paid directly to the driver. And I bet those things will probably stop pretty quick. Because if you have a bunch of drivers, let's say Vegas, everything that was going on there, with the first topic we talked about. How many drivers got screwed out of that? How many drivers are going to go back? And then same thing with the amount of their Quest bonuses that maybe they were supposed to get or whatever it might be. How much of that, all of that they need to pay back should accrue some sort of interest. I bet that would stop pretty quick if they started having to do that.
Like this guy right here, right? Because he's actually a reasonably intelligent man that I've emailed back and forth. This guy does not understand the problem. He thinks whatever they do, they walk on water. Whoever you are, and I know who you are. Next time we put the link up, please grab it. Come online. Let's debate this for 5 minutes. You have no idea how many people this is happening to. You don't know how many dollars this is amounting to. You have zero data like I do, and you're just blurting shit like that. You have none. You have no clue. Clueless. Such overreaction. If you were short $120 this week and you did not make your rent, it wouldn't be such an overreaction to you. Would it be now? So next time we put up the link, come on. Let me rip you apart a little
Susan, appreciate the super chat. Thank you.
Anyway.
All right.
So there you go.
Yeah. Either way, one of the things, everybody deserves the money that they get. And the problem is the majority of it is underpaid to begin with. I mean, let's be real. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.